Let's make English muffins by scratch. Get a measuring cup and pour all of your wet ingredients. Also add sugar to be a feeder for your yeast that we will put in. But first we have to microwave it. Microwave every 30 seconds so it could be 110 degrees. Having the liquids warm will contribute to the growth of the yeast. If it's not 110, put it for an extra 15 to 30 seconds in the microwave. If it's higher than 110, let's say 120 degrees, cool it for at least 2 minutes. Add your yeast when the right temperature is for the milk and water, and stir. Set it aside and get a bowl for your dry ingredients. I will be using a stand mixer. As you can see, when the bubbles are foamy at the top, that means it is ready to use. Add your egg and then whisk until all combine with the melted butter. We will be using a paddle for the stand mixer. Knead the dough for 7 minutes. And while it is kneading on a medium speed, turn on the oven and click on warm. That will be 170 degrees so that the yeast can rise efficiently and you don't have to cover it. You could just put it right in the oven and it will double in size. Transfer the bowl in the oven and let it rest for an hour. Use the cornmeal and place it on top of any sheet pan, as it will be a topping and a texture for the English muffin. As you can see, it has doubled in size and is also very sticky. So put flour on your mat and transfer the dough on top and use flour and brush it on top of the dough. With your hand or rolling pin, flatten the dough until it's about 1 to 2 inches thick. Use a cup to make circle-shaped cutters in the dough. Get a pan skillet and put cornmeal on top of it and put it on the stove until it has medium heat rising. You can put up to 3 to 4 patty shapes on the skillet and let it cook on both sides for 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, it will crisp up on each side. You can either use your hand and flip them carefully or a spatula. And once they have cooked all the way through for 3 to 5 minutes, place them on a rack so that they can cool down. These are very light and fluffy and has a really good flavor with the yeast. These are like none other than what you buy at the grocery store. You should have about 14 to 15 of these English muffins that you have created. They're cheaper and much more delicious. You can do anything on them, make a sandwich or put jelly and butter on top. I hope you enjoy.